Hi, my name's Debbie, and I have my Statement of Attainment and my Permaculture Design Certificate from ACS Systems Learning. My passion is gardening, and I love to help other people garden too.
I started this garden 7 years ago, and I put in herbs, an abundance of fruit, places for animals, people, and I didn't realise that I was using a lot of principles in permaculture. I had always wanted to do a permaculture course, and I finally did one and gained my Permaculture Design Certificate. I'm so happy. Now I know what the names are for all the things I've been doing, like companion planting, guild planting. There goes the greyhound. Growing fruit, an abundance of fruit, vegetables, creating a haven for wildlife, bees, birds, and plenty of food for us. I enjoyed every minute of the course. That's my garden, and I've learnt so much more from the Permaculture Design Certificate I did with ACS Distance Learning. Thanks guys, you were all amazing. I'm going to go on to be a better gardener than I was before.
You can catch me at bluebubblelane.info or Blue Bubble Lane Facebook.